Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to cover the TGIN line, which is this one here. So I'm going to be reviewing 3 of their products. I've never used their line before. I'm always looking for a really good deep conditioning because my hair is blonde. So I like to try different deep conditioning just to see what works. So I'm going to be doing 3 of their products this time around. So the first one is the TGIN, and it says Miracle Repairx CPR treatment, and it says with black honey and biotin. And the other one is the Curl Balm Moisturizing Styling Gel. And then their leave-in, which is the Miracle Repairx Protective Leave-In Conditioner with black honey and coconut oil. So I'm going to be doing these 3 products, my first impression. So my hair currently is in twists. My hair is dying to be washed right now. So I'm going to shampoo my hair, and then we're going to get started with the repair mask. Okay, so everything's out, I hope. Sometimes I find one that I miss when I get in the shower. Anyway, so this is my hair. I'm gonna shampoo it and I'll be right back. Okay, so the Miracle Repairx CPR treatment is first. So let's smell it. I love when stuff, so it's sealed, as you can see. Ooh. Okay. So it says it has black honey and biotin. It's very faint. I don't really, the smell isn't, there's nothing potent. It's very mild. I like that. So okay. So I'm going to section my hair. Let's do 4 sections. I usually do 4 sections for everything. So let's just keep that trend. This is gonna be, so we got 4 sections. So my ends, I like to focus on more because of the blonde. Now it feels good going through. Lots of slippage. If this was like a leave-in, it would be great. So I like that about it. Like lots of slip. Look at that. Look how long my hair is with it in it. Anyway, so I'm just gonna make sure it gets everywhere. Okay. Especially. So let's see. So you can see, like, it's pretty saturated, which is the way I like my hair when I use any kind of deep conditioning, just because my hair is blonde and it needs it so it doesn't become dry and brittle. So I'm really just working in this section as much as possible. I think that's good. Let's just wrap it up. Hope I got everywhere. I'll do it again after I do the other sections. Okay, let's do the back here. So this much. Okay, I think that's really good. Like I love, like, do you see that? How it's just combing through it? Like I'm using my fingers, no comb or anything like that. I love that about it. If the leave-in conditioner does this, I'm gonna be really happy. Like if the leave-in conditioner has the slip that this treatment is giving, my hair is going to be really happy because this is what it likes. Look at that. I'm happy about this part so far. Okay, let's tie this part out. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so it's in now. I'm gonna be using one of the deep conditioning caps. Okay. So let's put it on. So I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes and then I'm going to condition my hair and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just got out of the shower and firstly, TGIN, you did it with this repair mask. You did it because the slippage that I got in the shower, I was so happy with. And do you see how moisturized they look? Like, look at those ends, which is a big deal for me because I'm blonde right now. So moisture is, look at that. Like, can you see it? Look how moisturized they look. Like, I'm really happy with that. They're so, okay, so I loved the mask so much that I didn't put anything else on when I washed it out. It felt so good. It wasn't dry. Sometimes I use treatments that when I'm washing my hair, it feels good, but then the minute I'm done washing my hair out, it feels dry. Okay, so the only thing that I do with my wash and go that is outside of using the TGIN product today is I have a little bottle with a spout like this, and I put 2 oils in. One is the peppermint oil from the brand is Serenity. This is actually a product of Canada, but I'm sure if you're in the US or anywhere else, you can find your own version of a peppermint oil. And then the other one is the jojoba oil from the same line, also from Canada. I hope we can see it. Anyway, I'll put a picture also so you can see it better. So I put them in this bottle. It's just easier. So just a couple squirts. So I'm gonna section my hair in 4 parts, just like I did before. This is what I do for everything. When I'm washing my hair, when I'm treating my hair, everything is 4 sections for me. So this is the first one. This is the first section right here. So I take the oil and I just put it in like that on my scalp. I don't open it all the way, just a little bit, right? And then put my hand under and just massage it into the scalp. And I'll do that for all 4 parts, but we'll start with, so the first thing again is the Miracle Repairx Protective Leave-In Conditioner. So let's see how it goes. I hate opening these things. So this is the consistency, which is really good. Again, my hair loves this, like anything heavy like that. Okay, I'm gonna put it through. See, again, slippage, seriously, so much slippage with these products. I love that. That's crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna open my hair out and just put a little more. It smells good too. Okay, just a little more, just in the middle, like that. What's this one? This guy should be up here. Okay, so get it all the way down. So this is the brush that I use. I love it. I got it on Amazon. I will put a link here, the name of it. I don't remember what it's called. It says bee stool or something like that. I don't know, but I love it. Once you comb your hair out, like you see how the bristles kind of open up like that. So I'm just using it to pass the leave-in through my hair. There we go. Okay, that should help. Okay, so the Curling Balm Moisturizing Styling Gel is next. So wash hair with TGIN Moisturizing Rich Sulfate-Free Shampoo to cleanse scalp and reduce excess product buildup. Doesn't really say anything much in that. Apply a small amount of TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner to wet hair, which I already did. Followed by TGIN Curl Balm Moisturizing Styling Gel and style as usual. So that's where we are. Let's get the pump going. Okay, so sorry. So I'm gonna try this much because this is gonna see how it works. Okay. I'm gonna put it in like this, and then I'm gonna section a little bit off. I'm gonna do a little bit more for the top. It doesn't even, I love, if you're someone that doesn't like products that smell really high, you're gonna like this. The scent of it is not very strong, but it's not horrible. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more of the gel in. Just to hold it. Feels like it's gonna be fine. It's mostly for my ends because of the blonde, but let's see. It's really nice. Like, so I'm an eco style girl, so to use this gel, and it feels so good. Like I'm like playing with my hair. I need to stop. Okay, anyway, okay, that's one section. Like, do you see how, anyway, okay. I'm super excited about this product. Anyway, so the next thing, I'm gonna do this whole side and then I'll speed up this side. So let's just do it again. Okay guys, so I finished putting the leave-in and the curl balm in, and this is what it looks like right now. I'm actually gonna just use the diffuser real quick and I'll show you what it looks like after. So I went and did my makeup. I'm heading out. Look at the hair. Honey, look at the hair, look at the hair, look at the hair. I absolutely love it. I'm actually heading out and I love how it all turned out. And this is the final result. For me, TGIN did it. I really like the way my curls are defined. It's not crunchy. Like, it's holding, but it's not crunchy at all, and I love that. So thank you for watching my video, and if you liked it, please subscribe, please like, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, if you've tried the line before, if it works for you, if there's any other thing in the line that you think I should try, let me know. I've never tried them before, so this is my first impression and I really liked it. So I'm looking forward to see what else they have out there. But again, subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in my next video. Thanks.